Hello everyone, welcome to XRLearn. My name is George and today I'm going to teach you how to set up some simple interactions with throwable objects in Varwin. This guide assumes you've already run the Varwin tutorial. First, create a new project and add a new scene with an interior environment. Once your scene is set up, click Edit on Desktop. Now we're going to add a throwable object. Under the Library tab, locate the basketball and drag it into the scene. In the Object Inspector, make sure the basketball is not static, uses gravity, and is grabbable. This way, the player will be able to pick up the object and move it around the scene by hand. Also, make sure the basketball has a low mass and has a bounciness above 0, so it'll actually behave like a basketball. Use the position controls to place the basketball a short distance above the floor. That way, it won't be stuck in the floor when you begin playing your scene. Finally, add a couple of box obstacles and place them on ground level. These will be the objects that your basketball will interact with. Name one of the boxes Green Box and the other one Blue Box. Don't change the color of the boxes yet. We're going to make the player change their colors with the basketball. Once everything is in place, including any decorations you might want to add, save the scene. Once your scene is set up and saved, open the Visual Logic Editor. Under Objects, find Box Obstacle and drag and drop this event logic into the Logic Editor window. In this logic, set ForBox Obstacle to Green Box. Then, under Box Obstacle, locate this action logic and drag 2 copies of it into your event logic. In the first one, set the object to Green Box and set the second number to 90. In the second action logic, set the object to Blue Box and then set all 3 number values to 90. Your Green Box object will now turn green when it's hit with the basketball. It will also turn the Blue Box white if it isn't white already. To make the Blue Box work in a similar way, repeat the process, but instead make the Blue Box turn blue and the Green Box turn white. To make an object turn blue, use the third number in the RGB control. Make sure you click Apply to apply your changes when you're done. Once your objects are placed and your logic is set up, you're ready to test your scene in VR. If your cubes don't behave as expected, go back into the logic editor and see if there's anything you've missed. Remember, when using Varwin, you're not limited to changing colors and using basic cubes. Experiment in the logic editor to create your own interactions with your own objects. Thank you for watching. For more resources and information about extended reality education, please visit www.xr-learn.com.